Hi guys, I'm Sumbul and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing this Zoeva brush set kit that I bought from Selfridges, and I'm really excited to see what's inside and the quality of the makeup brushes because this is my first time I'll be using the Zoeva brushes and I had wanted to use them for quite a long time, but anyway the time has come and I was able to purchase this set. So basically this is the Zoeva Queen's Guard Collection limited edition brush set. It comes with 18 brushes and a makeup pouch, and then there's also an eyeshadow palette. So I'm really excited to look inside because I was waiting to film this video before I can do that and then swatch the eye shades and try out the brushes. So let's begin. So this is how the package looks. So this is an outer cardboard cover, and when you remove it, this is the box inside. It has a magnetic opening mechanism, and then this is how the inside looks. So by the way, I got this from Selfridges. So I'm not sure if any of the other sites stock this, but as far as I know, Selfridges does stock it. And I'm not sure for how long because as it says, it's a limited edition. So I'm not sure when it's going to just disappear. Anyway, so this is how it looks. This is the eyeshadow palette, a very slim and smart one. And then this is the Queen's Guard limited edition brush set. So the packaging is really impressive. Box inside a box. So now let's open this. Oops, the silica gel fell. So these are the brushes as you can see, and then this is the makeup pouch, which is a very good size pouch, I must say. I won't be putting my brushes in it, but it is good for makeup items. So it's plain brown with Zoeva written on top. And then let's open the brushes. First let me count. There should be 18. Yeah, 18. So basically the design of these brushes is inspired by the uniform of the Queen's Guard. So it has a very royal look to it. And the design also includes little Queen's Guard painted in gold on each individual brush. So that's a very nice touch. It's a very classic sort of a design. So this is the 104 buffer brush, very soft, but for brushes I will need to test them out first quite thoroughly before I give my complete full-fledged review. But so far I'm just happy and very excited to look at the design, the type of brushes, and then I'll be looking at the eyeshadow kit. So I'm really excited right now, and also because I think that the tools with which you do makeup are also as important as the quality of the makeup itself. So that's why I like to try different brushes from different brands to pick out the best and the easiest and the most practical with which to apply my makeup very quickly and flawlessly. So this was the 104 buffer brush. So these were all the brushes. Now let's take a look at the palette. So as I showed you, this is a very slim and smart palette, a very lightweight one also. And it's got the same designing, the black fading into the brick red with the Queen's Guard in gold on top, and then Zoeva logo. And it also comes with an outer cardboard covering. And then this is the palette inside. So this is how it looks. It's a very fun colored palette with the reds and pinks and maroons, and then there are some quite neutral shades also. So basically there are 12 shades in total. I particularly like these pink and red ones because I think they are quite fun and it'd be nice to play with them. So now let's see if they are pigmented or not. So as far as the texture goes, they look quite dry and powdery, but they are very nicely pigmented, as you can see from the swatches. So the swatches on the hands are appearing to be very nicely pigmented, but I'll have to try it on my eyes to give my final verdict because I've never tried a Zoeva makeup product or brushes for that matter. So it's a completely new brand for me and I really have to put it under vigorous testing to see how I feel about it. But I'm not going to judge them very quickly, and I'll wait until I've tried an eye look with this palette before I give my final thoughts. So if you're interested, I can do a separate video where I do a whole eye look using this palette. So if you are interested, let me know in the comments below. So this was all for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing of Zoeva's brush set. Let me know in the comments below if you have tried anything from this brand before, the brushes or any makeup products, and do let me know if you like them or not, and what items should I buy from this brand in the future that you really like. But for now, I'm really excited to try out this new brush set and the accompanying eyeshadow kit. So please don't forget to like, comment and share this video, and subscribe to my channel for new beauty videos every Wednesday. Until next time, stay beautiful.